Do you want to write and release music, but you don't really know where to start? Perhaps you're learning an instrument and it's inspired you to make your own songs. Or maybe you sing songs around the house, but you don't know how to put them to music. Or maybe you make up melodies on piano or guitar, but you don't know how to put lyrics around them and flesh them out into a whole song. Well, all these scenarios apply to me too. My name's Emily, and I've loved music ever since I was little. I used to sing in the school choir, and I did piano lessons as a teenager, and I tried multiple times to learn guitar throughout the years, but life always got in the way, and then my instruments would just gather dust for years until I picked them up again. Well, not anymore. It's time for me to finally make that music I've always wanted to make. I'm taking music lessons and I'm learning songwriting, and I want to release music where I sing and play all the instruments on every track because I want to understand how everything works together. I'll share everything I'm learning about songwriting on this channel to help you make music too. If that sounds interesting to you, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out.